helmet, the Humvee from Endura. So it's already pre-opened since Emirates Post needs to check what's inside. So let's see. So from the box, you can see it's Humvee Cycle Helmet by Endura. So it's a size small to medium helmet. What I like about this helmet is the color. I prefer to have a black colored helmet. So it's a Humvee, Endura Humvee helmet. So if we open it like this, there's the helmet. So it's a black helmet. The design looks good. I like it that way. It's just classic black. And the strap looks good, and it has multi-adjust in the back. So I think this will fit me well.